el abecedario español or el alfabeto español. Okay? Good. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. First I'll read it fast. Later I'll focus a bit more on each letter so I can help you to pronounce it correctly. And I'll give you some hints on Spanish phonetics, okay? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, L, M, N, Ñ, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V or V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, before reading it one more time, I want to give you some hints on how to pronounce correctly some of the Spanish sounds. So, in Spanish from Spain, so I mean in most parts of Spain, in Europe, this would be theta, like the th in English, theta, th, right? However, in all Latin American countries and a few parts of Spain, there is no sound like th. Everything is pronounced s, like a simple s. Okay? So, since I'm Uruguayan from South America, and I know how everybody else pronounces in Latin America, I can tell you that theta is pronounced zeta. Okay? In the continent. In Spain it would be theta. Good. Letter V. It's called V. V. Why? To distinguish it from B. Okay? English is more precise than Spanish in the correct pronunciation of consonants. It has always been. Spanish, unfortunately, tends to laziness in pronunciation of consonants. What does that mean? Originally, in Spanish, B and V were distinguishable, right? B, V, same as in English. However, that through laziness, people would pronounce B, everything the same. So, the letter V began to be called as V, so as not to mistake it for B, okay? And unfortunately, for many years already, officially, the sound of V and B are the same. What does that mean? That if you want to speak as in good old Spanish and be very distinctive and exact to pronounce B and V, that's perfect. I try to do that. However, if you say B to any of both B and B, if you pronounce like that, it's officially accepted and it's the norm nowadays.